How to start a chat. Are you facing issue to send a text on WhatsApp business application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open WhatsApp business application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now just head over to the contact that you want to send messages or start a chat. Once you open up the contact list, tap on this send message button, which is usually located at the bottom of your screen. Click on it. Once you click on it, write down the text according to your preference. Once you write it down, tap on this send button, which is located at the right bottom of your screen. Tap on it, and that's it, guys. That's how you're going to start a chat on WhatsApp business application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.